Valeria Martin from Spotahome, Seville, and I'm going to show you a two-bedroom flat that is located in San Gabriel Square, which is next to the storage center. This is a great area, very quiet. So let's take a look. This is the living room. It's a very nice living room, but first I'm going to show you the main door, and on the right the kitchen. We have in the kitchen the sink, microwave, and a cook, washing machine, and the fridge. Look. And the fridge. We have here space for your things. Look, pots and pans, and some utensils. We have coffee maker, glasses, and space for your things. There are cabinet kitchen and plates and glasses, and okay, so this mirror and the living room with a table with 4 chairs, some plants, an armchair, this very beautiful sofa, a table with a lamp. I really like this stone wall, and a big television, a window, and a lamp with a table. Okay, this is the view. And very important in Sevilla, AC unit, and this is space for your things. And now on the left we have the first bedroom with a table and a chair, this lamp, the views, and a king-size bed with another window and this mirror, and the wardrobe is so big. Look, you have here more space for your things, for your clothes, your shoes. Okay, and here is the iron, and here there is the second room with another king-size bed, a desk with a chair, and another wardrobe, so big. You can put here all you need. There is space for your clothes, for your shoes, the ironing board, and the bed table, and a lamp. Look the views. Okay, a mirror, and for finish the bathroom, look, we have here a sink and a mirror, and the toilet, a chair, and look, another chair on the shower, and the shower and a window. So that's all. This is Valeria Martin from Spotahome, Seville. See you, hasta luego.